Tonight I'm going to be cooking real chips cooked in the air fryer. For this you're going to want to peel 3 potatoes. This is going to do 2 people. Next you're going to want to slice these potatoes. I like to do them in half like that and then slice them about that thick. Then you want to tip them into a bowl, some salt on, some olive oil, stir that with a spoon, sprinkle some more salt on, and put them in the air fryer for 20 minutes on a high heat. The chips have been cooking for 10 minutes in the air fryer, so we're just going to turn them. Put them on for at least 10 minutes, maybe a bit longer. Chips have been cooking for 15 minutes in the air fryer. They're smelling really good. Oh yes. So altogether, these have been cooking for 25 minutes. Real chips cooked in the air fryer, seasoned with salt and vinegar and a little bit of ketchup.